Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about how you can easily set up your payment methods in WooCommerce. But before we start, I would love to invite you to join our newsletter. It's very easy task and it's completely for free. It will take you up to like 1 or 2 minutes of your time and you just can only profit from it. So, back to our video. In today's video, I want to show you how we can easily set up the payment methods with WooCommerce. It's very easy and should not take us more than a few minutes to actually get the grasp on how to do it. Right now, we are at our WooCommerce account and we are going to set up our payments. There's nothing easier than that. So let's go. We have to focus on left side of this sidebar, and somewhere above the middle of your screen we have these payment options, and we are going to click on the overview. At the moment I haven't really added my IBAN or my credit card information, since even though I trust you guys, but you know, you never know who can take advantage of on the internet. So they are providing very nice new option, which is enhanced fraud protection for your store. So go and check it out. I'm gonna click on remind me later. Right now we can just go with update. Basically what I need to do is just put my credit card information, account details. Once you add your credit card information, don't worry, this credit card won't be taken advantage of. This credit card will be just for your customers to send you money to. It's easy, and let's continue. Deposits disabled, boost your sales. You can enable your store. Mine is not enabled now, but where we want to go is go to settings. At the moment we can enable a lot of payments, a lot of ways of getting your money. WooCommerce is powered by Stripe. So Stripe, I don't have to really tell you what it's all about, and all you have to do is just enable WooCommerce payments, or we can go through the test mode where you can just test your card number if there is some kind of traffic between WooCommerce and your bank. Payment accepted on checkout, credit, debit card, and also you can enable express checkout with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Those are the safest. Those are very well taken among the customers worldwide. Me personally, I really love to pay with Apple Pay options when there is one available, so that's very nice. So that's a good thing. And also transaction, enable payments via saved cards, issue an authorization on checkout, and many more options. Here bank statement, email also support number if there's problem with the transaction. That's also very nice, very convenient way for your customers to just trust you with their money. Deposit, fraud protection, many more options we can explore. Mainly express checkout. I strongly recommend you utilizing those on your store, where you can easily give your customers this option. Also button size can be default, medium, large, theme, dark, light, outline, and this is the preview of the button. When they're going to click it, they'll be redirected to the GPay or Apple Pay. Right now, there, as you can see, is a lot of options. For example, general options, where you have to fill in your names, your address, country also, and currency options. Those will be edited mainly according to your country, so this is very, very nice. Then we have the shippings that we can pay attention to on the shop page, so you exactly know where you can expect it. Add to cart behavior, place order image, measurements, weight units, dimensions, basically everything that you need of your products, all those informations they need to have. Then there is a shipping option from Slovakia. It's a free shipping, and if you're successful enough and you want to ship your stuff overseas, for example, or to your next countries, you can then add what you ask for that particular way of shipping. Payments we covered, accounts and privacy, emails. Also we have the integrations then that we can add up. Also, please look for something that really is safe, so you don't get scammed. Stock notifications, gift cards. Gift cards is also a very nice option. How you can treat your customer. It's very, very easy. Recommendations, multi-currency, and then the advanced, which is really for laters. If you want to jump back into the payments accept on checkout, I'm just going to straight away show you what does it mean. Enable additional payment methods. As you can see, we have credit card and debit card, which is covered with Visa, MasterCard, American Express. You can also utilize bank contracts, EPS, Bureau or GiroPay, Ideal. This is some kind of Polish one that I'm not gonna try to pronounce, and so forth. For example, we want to go with ban contract, continue, and go to payment settings, which is basically where we left off. And you see that right now we enabled bank contact. Here you can see the fee of what the people are charging for every transaction, or the banks are charging for every transaction, and that's actually really nice. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. Yet again, thanks for watching, subscribe to our newsletter, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.